Oh snap, everyone. I literally just got the notification that there is a software update for Nico. I've been stuck on 2019.8.5 for such a long time. We are going to go and get this installed here. So when you get a software update, you get that push notification, and then you have to connect to your vehicle, which, who knows how long that takes. And then across the top, you'll see a banner here that says software update. Approximate time to install is around 45, no, only 25 minutes, so it's short. As you guys can see, I am currently on 2019.8.5. Hopefully that's coming in clear. I can't really tell. We are going to definitely get that installed. I cannot wait. It is May 5th, 2019, around 9 a.m. And I've been having some super shitty issues with the screen glitching out and blacking out while driving. So I'm stoked, absolutely stoked to get a new software update here. So let's get that guy started. When you start it, you get this wonderful notification. Read it, blah, 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 blah. Take approximately 25 minutes. During the update process, you will not be able to drive the vehicle, use the touchscreen, anything like that. Give you guys a second to read that. And we're going. I'm so excited I'm out of my socks. Nico, you get a new software update in 1 minute and 10 seconds. I am so excited for you. Oh, look inside. There's a countdown in here too. Got these nice new floor mats too. Oh my goodness. I want to see what's going on. Wow. Okay, we are going to climb over here. Wow. I think somebody needs to be sitting in the driver's seat maybe. There we go. Yes. 7, 6, 5. Nico! Oh, there's an alarm clock in the upper right corner. I did not know that. Starting update. Yay! What update do we think we're gonna get? I am so stoked. Woo! Also, this is what it looks like on your phone after the software update has started installing. It just says software update in progress. No ETA, no time left to install, just software update in progress. You'll get another push notification when it is done. Alright, I don't know if any of y'all have ever sat in your car while a software update is going on. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but first time I've done it, and screen just like goes totally black. I have no idea what's going on. Prior to that, like the car like made two huge clunks, like, and it stopped charging, and then it said like right above the charge port, it said software update required. Please contact Tesla service. Okay, looks like things are back up now, but like that was weird. All right, so it looks like the update is complete. It's checking status, whatever that means. Phone is having trouble connecting here. I've been stuck on 2019.8.5 for so long. Fingers crossed that this is the enhanced or the smart summon. I cannot wait to get smart summon and all these other cool party tricks. All right, so we got the software update is complete notification. I got my coffee here. All right, looks like we are on. Don't know if you guys can see this. We'll see. Looks like we're on 2019.12.1.2. Let's see what the release notes say. So yeah, once the software update completes, you get that push notification saying that it's done. Your phone updates. You get this what's new in this update box as you get back into the vehicle for the first time. All right, of course my battery died. That yellow looks good. Okay, so I don't know exactly where it cut out, so we're gonna go back to the release notes and just go over it all again. So as you can see, we are on 2019.12.1.2. All right, so the no confirmation lane change is basically this upper part. Supercharger improvements up to 150 kilowatt peak rates, upped the top speed of the car to 162, and maintaining torque and power for longer periods of time when driving at high speeds. The most exciting thing I think so far of all of it is the software updates. You are able to go in and scan and see if there are any other updates available based on your current software. Tesla Tari things and some en route battery warm up for efficiently charging and reducing charge times. More language choices, it looks like, and web browser improvements. Improvements to the TPMS. Yeah, this is dope. During the winter, it's a pain in the ass because these things go off all the time. So, and the tire pressure definitely lowers. It's usually set, it seems like around 40 or so, 40 PSI. And then during the winter, tire pressure lowers quite a bit to like 36, and then they're going off all the time. And you have this constant warning banner across your screen here. So that's dope that you can reset it to whatever you want. That is fantastic. And then the stoplight warning. This was part of the previous release. At least it said it was in the previous release, and I haven't noticed it working at all, but I guess we'll have to try it at some point here. So let's check out a couple of those updates. It looks like we did not get the smart summon, which is what I was most excited about, but I am pretty stoked about the Tesla software status checker as well. I'll link you to a video right up here, or maybe it's over here, one of these two. A video where I was talking about software updates that Tesla needs to do, and this was one of them, allowing the user to search for software and download it when they want, or, you know, see if there's anything out there instead of just waiting like I had to and be stuck on 2019.8.5 that had this horrible screen glitch that was severely annoying. So let's see what we got here. Open up controls. Yes, as we can see right away, there's a new software tab at the bottom here, which is awesome. It's got your car, your VIN, your number of miles, and then your version, your software, and then the release notes. Looks like you can open it up from there. And apparently this is where your software update will show up as well if there is one available. The other thing is, let's see, service. Yes, so in service, reset TPMS sensors. You can set them to whatever they currently are, whatever the car is currently reading on this screen, and it won't go off all the time and be this constant warning, which is so annoying. So I'm really happy that they included this. It is a really great feature, and I'm stoked for that. The other things that are supposedly there are in autopilot and customize navigate on autopilot. It is the require lane change confirmation. You can now, that is now an option, and you can tell it, I don't want to confirm lane changes, and you can tell it what kind of notification you want, whether it's a chime, a vibrate, or both. I have it set on both, although the vibrate is slightly annoying. It's kind of the lane departure warning, so your steering wheel vibrates. I'm probably maybe just going to go to chime or turn it off completely. Let's just turn it off completely. Have it on Mad Max mode, obviously. And the other thing is you're able to set navigate on autopilot to start up with every navigation without having to actually turn it on. So I turn that on. All right. And then besides the Tesla Atari games, that is mainly it here. Oh yeah, here are the language updates. So we have language for the overall screen. And then we also have the navigation language, which has English, Espanol, and Canadian French. Okay, interesting. Did not get this smart summon, which I was really, really hoping for. I guess we'll just have to wait for that one still, but some very, very welcome updates indeed, for sure. Probably got a little bit too excited there, but I was pretty darn excited. Hopefully you guys found this video informative. If anything, you know, it'll show you kind of where I'm at with my Tesla software fun that we've been having. As always, if you guys did enjoy this video, please hit that like and subscribe button down below. It does truly mean the world to me, and it is so important. Y'all are the best. This channel is so fun, and I'm really enjoying it. Really enjoying making these videos. It's definitely given me something to do in my free time these days, which I definitely have a lot of now that I'm single, so... Alright, as always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. It does truly mean the world to me. I hope you all had a great weekend. It is a gorgeous Sunday here in Denver, and I'm stoked to just enjoy the day before going back to work tomorrow. We will see you next video.